Time to rip this dog apart. Alright, we're back. Bought some cheap little snap ring pliers or circlet pliers, whatever you want to call them. That's now out. Now this lot should, there we go. There you go, that's the remainder of that boot that I was talking about. So what we're up to is I'm going to take apart this uni joint. I'll show you how to do that, and then I'm going to wire wheel this whole thing, drop this in the parts washer, get some new uni joints ordered. This one here I'm debating on keeping if it's not in horrible condition because it does have a grease nipple in it, but this one down here I'm planning on replacing because I'm guessing that it's probably buggered and there's no grease nipple on it, so it's probably shot. So yeah, we're gonna get stuck on in. So the way we're gonna do this is we're gonna get a punch, and there's apparently some little clips on the inside of there. I might have to hit it with a bit of degreaser. Alright, so now I've got the rings exposed. Not going to bother trying to show you because it's hard enough for me to see them in there. Be able to see this one. Where is it? That there is the that's the ring coming out. So just like that, and that's the retaining ring. So I was going to do that 3 more times. So that's the first two out. Alrighty, now I'm just going to pull this one apart as well. I'm going to do this one a little bit differently by just smacking it against my vise. Dead. Alrighty, so I got the unis out. That's all the bearings in there. They don't look quite too bad. This one here looks worse than the other one, even though this one had the grease nipple. The other one's hiding in there somewhere. But I did manage to smack one of these caps out, and yeah, I lost all the needle bearings out of it. So here's what it is. I've just spent the last couple minutes smacking this off, and there's the actual bearing in the center, so the center bearing. And I've cleaned this bit up. I don't know if I need a new one of these. There's a little bit of wear. You can kind of see it on camera. There's a little bit of wear on that, and I'm not too sure if I can actually get a new one. So we're just going to roll with it. For now though, I'm going to finish getting this off. I don't really care about it. I haven't done it how you're supposed to, because I haven't got a lot of the equipment and stuff. Like my vise is only like 100mm. So I'm going to keep smacking that off and take the bearing out, and then I'm going to get to cleaning all this up. Alrighty, so with that cap off, you can now see in here, that's the bearing, and then there's a circlip in there that's retaining it. So on to getting rid of that. Right, so that's drive shaft cleaned up. One part of it. Right, that's getting left there, and I don't know what I'm going to do now.